Nikki, how do you manage to get out of bed and get dressed before 8 a.m.? I like to read the paper before the everyday chaos begins. Do you want to read it? Sure, I'll read it. The 27th annual dog show? Why is there never a cat show? What about cats? That gives me an idea. 15 minutes later. Alright, Sassy, I'm training you for the dog show. Get your food. Good job, Sassy. What a good kitty. Now let's move on to some tricks. Okay, Sassy, sit. Good girl. Three hours later. Okay, Sassy, let's go over all the tricks that we've worked on today. First up, you need to roll over. Roll over, Sassy. Alright, good job. Now weave. Good job. Now jump. Great job. You're gonna do great at the dog show, Sassy. The next day. Alright, now twirl. How do you guys like the outfits I made you? Thank you so much, Claire. They're wonderful. Anything for my cat, I mean younger sister. I forgot all my lines. This is the I forgot all my lines song. La 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 la.